So I just bought more AMC stock, and today I'm going to be talking about why I decided to do so. But before I do get into that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you are new to the channel, because I do talk about AMC stock every single day. So today we closed at $3.03, down 11% from $3.41. We dropped about almost nearly 40 cents. And you know, it was a pretty bloody day. I kind of saw it coming, but I do see us making a rebound from this $3 level, which is why I just bought another 100 shares. And it is possible that we do break down to 280, 290. And if that does happen, I'm gonna have to buy even more shares. You know, I don't want it to happen, but you know, I kind of do, so I could get even more shares at a discounted price. But anything could happen here, guys. I mean, we're about 10 days away from earnings. It's coming close. And depending on what Adam Aaron says, I mean, we could go parabolic. Literally, we know Adam Aaron is going to come out with some positive news, especially about the upcoming movie slate. He even said before that the first quarter is going to be slow, the second quarter is going to be slow. Starting the third quarter of 2024, we're going to be having a strong box office, a strong movie slate, and we're going to be bringing in a lot of money. AMC isn't just a movie theater company. That's what people think. Oh, AMC Theaters is just a movie theater. No, they are a chocolate business. They are a popcorn business. They freaking distribute concert films. There's so many other factors to AMC, not just its movie theaters. They're just innovating. You know, it's impossible for AMC to go bankrupt at this rate. We saw some positive quarters even after them paying hundreds of millions of dollars off in debt. With a weak box office, we saw some positive quarters. Obviously, we're losing right now, and it's like that because, you know, the Hollywood actors strike, all that stuff, not a lot of movies coming out. But when it gets strong, when there's new movies coming out almost every other day, the cash flow is gonna be insane for AMC, and AMC stock is gonna be headed in the right direction. Obviously, right now we are down big time, and there's people that were buying up here, and I do feel for all you apes, you know, that are in the $30, $40, $50 range, even the $100 range. For us new apes that are looking into buying AMC stock, this isn't financial advice. There's going to be a bunch of people, you know, a bunch of shills trying to scare you guys, saying stay away from AMC stock. These are people that are shorting the stock, or these are people that don't have balls. You know, I'm not telling anyone to invest in AMC. You could go invest in Tesla or whatever you want. Tesla's actually green right now, but AMC is a short squeeze play. This is a straight gamble. You know, this is risky. I'm telling you guys like that. It is very risky, obviously, but from my eyes, from my perspective, I think it's guaranteed. I really do believe so. Just my personal opinion. I think the squeeze is inevitable, which is why I continue to buy AMC stock, even though I personally am down at the moment. I am literally buying the dip. That's why I tell you in every freaking video that I'm buying the dip, because that's what I'm doing. You know, there's nothing else to it. This is all I do. I buy the dip and I talk about AMC stock because this is my favorite stock. I love the stock, and I do believe it is due for a short squeeze very, very soon. But you guys do what you want with your money. Just take a look at AMC, you know, put it on your watch list. I'm sure everyone's watching AMC stock, a stock that's down 99%, a company that's not going bankrupt anytime soon, a company that actually has the potential to be raising $100 to $200 million in profit every freaking quarter, but it's not doing so because of the debt that it owes, because of the rent that it pays. But when that debt is paid off, it's going to be insane, and that day will come where AMC is just a cash cow, producing cash, and that's when people are really going to be looking into investing in it. But no, everyone was scared when it was, you know, on the verge of bankruptcy. I'm not scared though. You know, I have balls of steel, which is why I buy the dip. I'll buy every dip that it gives me. You know, it dips tomorrow, I'll buy even more. That's just how I personally am. That's how I personally trade. And it's worked out for me in the past, and I believe it will work out for me again, because I will continue to diamond hand this for as long as it takes. If we take a look at the short interest, we actually went down by 5 million shares. We were at 55, 56 million. Now we're at 51 million shares that are shorted, only up 24% in the past month. A couple days ago it was up 50%. The short interest percent of free float is sitting at 18%, and the short interest value is at 176 million. So it looks like a bunch of shares got covered, but there's still a huge amount of shares that are being shorted for AMC. And just the fact that we dropped 11%, in my eyes, it's literally a discount. This guy even said it, AMC daily discount. As soon as I saw AMC dropped 11%, I just knew I had to buy. I wasn't going to end the day without buying another 100 shares. So that's what I did. I bought another 100 shares at $3.03 exactly. Order freaking filled. And I will continue to buy more. You know, my goal was 2,000. Now I'm starting to think of 2,500. 2,500 shares sounds pretty good to me. You know, I think that's a goal of mine. in the near future to get to 2,500. Let me know how much shares you guys are hodling and at what price. But yeah, I'm freaking hodling. You know, there is no selling for me. I have my tickets to the moon and I am holding on to them for as long as it takes. This guy said IMAX made $79 million last year. IMAX has a market cap of $850 million. IMAX has 1,500 screens worldwide. IMAX trades around 15x price to earnings ratio. AMC made $4.9 billion last year. AMC has 950 multi-cinemas. AMC has 10,000 plus screens. AMC has a popcorn dynasty. AMC has a chocolate company. AMC sells merchandise. AMC has a lower market cap than IMAX. AMC hosts IMAX screens in its theater. Make it make sense. The reality is it doesn't make sense. The whole reason that these freaking people that control the market brought AMC down to this price is because they believe that it is going bankrupt. They believe it is worth pennies, which is what it's trading at right now, pennies. And they are wrong. In my opinion, they are all wrong and all us apes are right. And you know, they call us stupid. They call us retarded, but at the end of the day, only one side is going to burn in hell. The people that are, you know, lying, the people that are thieving, the people that are crooked, these people are going to be with Satan himself in the deepest depths of hell, while us apes are in paradise, a green freaking paradise. And then underneath, this guy said, and AMC is part owner of a precious metals mining co with 60 plus billion in ground. This value comes from only 6,400 acres of the 64,000 acres available to be mined. I stand with you, make it make sense. So as y'all know, AMC actually owns over 22% of this Microsoft mining company. I feel like that stock itself is going to squeeze, making AMC's financials go to the moon as well. It's impossible for AMC to go bankrupt. You know, people are going to be saying that for the next 10 years and it's just not going to freaking happen. And while they keep saying that, while they keep hating, AMC stock is going to rise. This guy said, come on apes, we are not new to this. The hedge funds algo operates on human emotion. Market makers are as corrupt as they come. Find solace in that AMC is not going to go bankrupt. That would be the only way they win. They have burned through all collateral from every corner like a mouse looking for crumbs and trillions of tokens to get us to sell. Yet here we are, still here. We were never wrong. This is hashtag MOAS. HODL for your dreams to turn into reality. HODL for a better world. HODL because they took the buy button away from us. Expect more downside, so what? As long as you know that I know that he knows what she knows is that the price is not real until it is. TikTok bang. And then underneath he adds this thing, this is a psychological warfare, which is true. They're trying to play with our mind. They're trying to get us to believe that AMC is exactly where it's supposed to be at, 30 cents. And I beg to differ. I beg to freaking differ. This guy said, what doing? It's time. Enough already. F it, I'm buying more. Let's freaking do this. Classic meme. And then more. I've been seeing a lot of this guy lately. This guy said, good luck this week. Let's freaking go, fellow apes. And as a reminder to the shorts, you mess with the bull, you're gonna get the horns. I mean, if we take a look at AMC stock, we were at an all-time low of $2.38. From $2.38 to $3, we're still up over 25%. AMC stock is still looking bullish, and the momentum is going to continue. People are looking at this as an opportunity right now to buy in at a better price, in my opinion. This guy said, only took a couple big moves during a weak box office for AMC to be quarterly cash flow positive. What happens during a strong box office, which is guaranteed in the next year? A stronger box office is coming. This isn't a if or when or but it is guaranteed coming. It's guaranteed. I don't care what anyone freaking says about this. This guy said this post is meant to discuss new share purchases only and the future outlook on price discovery for new buyers. If you're buying AMC stock right now, you are buying at a better price than 99% of apes have ever bought in the past 10 years ever since AMC was a company. Just think about that. AMC has never been trading this low. AMC is a penny stock. It's not trading at $3, it's trading at 30 cents. And it does have the potential to go to extreme heights. I mean, thousands, tens of thousands of percentages. There is no limit to how high AMC stock could go. The worst case scenario is if it does go bankrupt. And that's impossible. So that's why I like my odds of investing my life savings in AMC. That's why I'm comfortable with it. And that's why I could go to sleep like a baby at night, knowing that I have everything into AMC. This guy said, grabbed another Hyundai today. Hashtag AMC. Me too. I just grabbed another 102, just eating freaking bananas. Another 100 shares. He bought at $3.12. Me personally, I bought at $3.03. If you don't believe me, I posted it on the community page. And honestly, I don't even have to be doing that for you guys. I don't have to be showing any of my portfolio because I don't care if anyone believes me. I really don't. The point is, I'm invested into AMC stock. The point is, I like the stock, and the point is, I will continue to talk about it because I do believe the MOAS is coming. And y'all could hate on me all you want. At the end of the day, this is freaking me. Just freaking munching away, just waiting for the MOAS. But that's gonna do for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, make sure to go down and subscribe if you are new to the channel because I do update you guys on AMC stock every single day, and only about 25% of you guys are subscribed. So what are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe if you are invested into AMC stock like I am. If you're not invested into AMC, then feel free to not subscribe. I don't really care. This is for apes only, and we're about to hit 2,000 apes in total. Right now we're like at 1,760 apes. So if everyone were to subscribe watching this video, we could hit 2,000 apes literally with this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go.